That's the bubble net. Woo! Now you're going to see the same thing all over again. The blows and the pectoral fins and the dorsal fins and the humpbacks and the tails.
So that means they're going down and come back up?
When the tails go up, they go down. Then they set another net if they can find that school of herring. And in between is a dominant whale song. There's one leader. So if you listen, you can hear their blows. There's a pectoral fin. One tail, two tails, three divers down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divers down. 9, 10. They're all going down at the same time, which means they're going to get another net soon. They are in a hurry to go down, which is unusual. That means they are finding some food. Captain Lee has us in the best spot ever. Now you just gotta watch the birds. Isn't this awesome?
It really is.
Woohoo!